Hello students, in this video I will discuss most probable questions from mechanics that may be asked in this 2020 OJEE lateral entry. So without any delay, let's get started. So we have question number 1. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta is equal to, we know that from the parallelogram law, I have already explained you in my lecture. If you have not watched all the previous year solution, you can watch it available in our channel. So as per the parallelogram law, if we have two forces P and Q, then we can apply the parallelogram law, that is the resultant will be P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into cos theta and its root over. That is option B is the correct answer. In the next question, if the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle alpha with P, then the angle alpha is given by option A, that is P sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. In the next question, we have the statement, the algebraic sum of the residual parts of a number of forces in a given direction is equal to the residual part of the resultant in the same direction is called, this is the principle of resolution, that is option D will be the correct answer. In the next question, find the angle between two equal forces of P when the resultant is also equal to P. So here we can apply the parallelogram law. We know that parallelogram law is given by the resultant are equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into cos theta and its root over. For parallelogram, we have two forces P and Q. Here, both these two forces are equal, that is P. So, in place of Q, we will apply P. So, applying it, also we have the resultant is also P. So, resultant P equal to P square plus P square plus 2P into P into cos theta and its root over. So that is equal to P square plus P square, we have 2P square plus here we have 2P square into cos theta and its root over. Now taking P square as common, we have P equal to root over. By taking P square as common, we have 2 plus 2 cos theta, that is equal to, so P square its root over is P. So we have P equal to P into the root over 2 plus 2 cos theta. We can calculate root over 2 plus 2 cos theta equal to P divided by P, that equal to 1. So we have root over of 2 plus 2 cos theta equal to 1. Now squaring both sides, we will get 2 plus 2 cos theta that equal to 1 square is 1. So we have 2 cos theta that equal to 1 minus 2. So we have minus 1. So cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. So cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. When theta equal to, we know that it is 120 degree. So option B is the correct answer. In the next question, which of the following statement is correct? So the statements we have: a force is an agent which produces or tends to produce motion. And B, a force is an agent which stops or tends to stop motion. And C is, a force may balance a given number of forces acting on a body. Option D is both A and B. As per the definition of a force is an agent which produces or tends to produce motion. Also, it is also stops or tends to stop a motion. So both option A and B will be correct. That is, option D is the correct answer. In the next question, a system of forces are acting at the corners of a rectangular block as shown in the figure. Determine the magnitude of the resultant force. So here we have a rectangular block and 4 forces are acting. Here one force, that is 65 kilonewton. Here downward 22 kilonewton. And here this side we have 35 kilonewton and one also here downward 18 kilonewton. So for such arrangement we have resultant R equal to sum of the horizontal forces square plus sum of the vertical forces square and its root over. So we have here horizontal forces are 65 kilonewton of right side and 35 kilonewton of left side. That is in total 65 minus 35. So that equal to 30 kilonewton as the horizontal force. Similarly, we have vertical forces as here 22 kilonewton and here 18 kilonewton. Both are downwards. So taking downwards as negative sign, we have 22 plus 18, that is 40 kilonewton. So the resultant is given by 30 kilonewton square plus 40 kilonewton square and its root over, that equal to 50 kilonewton. Coming to the next question, we have a force of 15 Newton is applied perpendicular to the edge of a door 0.8 meter wide as shown in the figure. Find the momentum of the force about the hinge. So here we have a door whose wide is 0.8 meter and the force which is applied here is 15 Newton. Movement equal to force into the distance, that equal to, here we have force as 15 Newton into the distance 0.8, that equal to 12 Newton is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. In the next question, the moment of force about any point is generally equal to dash area of the triangle whose base is the line representing the force and vertex is the point about which the moment is taken. So here the correct answer will be half of the area of the triangle. In the next question, two like parallel forces of 50 Newton and 100 Newton act at the end of a rod 360 mm long. Find the magnitude of the resultant force and the point where it acts. So for like parallel force means we have a rod of 360 mm and two like parallel forces means both the forces will be in same direction. We can take both as upward direction or both as downward direction. So let us take both as upward direction. So we have 50 Newton and we also have a 100 Newton. So in this arrangement, we can say that these are like parallel forces. So the resultant will lies somewhere between these 2 points. Let us assume the resultant lies here from this point x. So this distance will be 360 minus x. So here the resultant will be 100 plus 50, that equal to 150 Newton. So now we'll find the point where it acts. So the point can given by the moment So applying the moment as we have here force 50 Newton and the distance from this resultant is x. So 50 into x, that equal to, here this force is 100 Newton and the distance from resultant, this is resultant. Distance from resultant is 360 minus x. So 100 into 360 minus x. So that equal to, we have 50x, that equal to 100 into 360, that is 36000 minus 100x. So by taking 100x to left side, we have 50 plus 100x, that equal to 150x equal to 36000. We have 150x equal to 36000. So x equal to 36000 divided by 150. So by calculating we will get 240. So correct answer will be 150 Newton and 240 mm. That is option C is the correct answer. In the next question, a couple consists of two unlike parallel force of same magnitude. Option C will be the correct answer. In the next question, if the arm of a couple is double, its moment will also double because the moment is given by P into A, where A is the arm and P is the effort. So when A will double, then the moment will also double. That is option D will be the correct answer. In the next question, we have the Lami's theorem is applied only for coplanar forces. Option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, if the sum of all forces acting on a body is 0, then the body may be in equilibrium provided that the forces are in concurrent forces. So option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, the center of gravity of an equilateral triangle with each side A is dash from any base of 3 sides. This is a direct question which is already derived. So we have the correct answer is option C, that is A divided by 2 root 3. You have to remember this. In the next question, the center of gravity of hemisphere lies at a distance of dash from its base measured along the vertical radius. This is also a derived question. You have to remember the answer for this question. That is, the correct answer will be 3r/8. Option A is the correct answer. In the next question, if the area of a section in mm² and the distance of the center of area from a line in mm, then units of the moment of inertia of the section about the line is expressed in, we know that the moment is expressed in mm² or meter². So already area having mm², so both mm² into mm², that is mm4 will be the correct answer. In the next question, theorem of perpendicular axis is used in obtaining the moment of inertia of a. The correct answer will be square lamina. For a square lamina, we can apply the perpendicular axis theorem. In the next question, the moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter d is given by the relation, that is, the correct answer will be pi by 64 into d fourth. Option C will be the correct answer. In the next question, determine the moment of inertia of a semicircular section of 100 mm diameter about its center of gravity and parallel to x-axis. We have semicircular section. For that, the moment of inertia I x-axis is given by 0.11 into the radius to the power fourth, that equal to 0.11 into, here we have the diameter is 100, so the radius will be 100 by 2, that is 50. So into 50 power fourth. So option B will be the correct answer. So students, please don't forget to like the videos. In the next question, the coefficient of friction is given by option A will be the correct answer. Mu equal to F by R, that equal to 10 phi, where F is the force and R is the normal to the force. In the next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? Here, some statements are given. We have to find the incorrect statement. So, statement A is the force of friction does not depend upon the area of the contact. It is correct. Option B is the magnitude of limiting friction bears a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces. This is also correct. Option C is the static friction is slightly less than the limiting friction. This is also correct statement. So none of these will be the correct answer. All these statements are actually correct statements. In the next question, question number 22, we have, if a ladder is not in equilibrium against a smooth vertical wall, then it can be made in equilibrium by, so it can be made in equilibrium by increasing the angle of inclination. So option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, the efficiency of screw jack may be increased by increasing its pitch. Option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, we have mechanical advantage, briefly written as MA, is given by mechanical advantage. The formula for mechanical advantage is W by P. Option A will be the correct answer. Also, for a lifting machine, the efficiency is given by MA divided by VR, where MA is the mechanical advantage and VR is the velocity ratio. In the next question, in a certain weightlifting machine, a weight of 1 kilonewton is lifted by an effort of 25 newton, while the weight moves up by 100 mm. The point of application of effort moves by 8 meter. Find efficiency of the machine. So already I have told that efficiency is given by mechanical advantage divided by the velocity ratio. So we have to find here mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. So mechanical advantage is W by P, that is the weight divided by the effort. Weight is here 1 kilonewton, that is 1000 newton, divided by the effort is 25 newton. So 1000 divided by 25, that is equal to 40. So now we will calculate VR, velocity ratio. So velocity ratio is given by y by x. Here y is 8 meter and x is 100 mm. 100 mm is 0.1 meter. So that is 8 divided by 0.1, that equal to 80. So we have velocity ratio as 80 and the mechanical advantage as 40. So efficiency will be mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. Efficiency equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. So mechanical advantage is 80 divided by the velocity ratio is 40. So that equal to 0.5 or 50%. So option B will be the correct answer. In the next question, the condition for a machine to be reversible is that its efficiency should be more than 50%. Option C will be the correct answer. If its efficiency will be less than 50%, that machine will be irreversible. That is the opposite of reversible. In the next question, the law of lifting machine is given by the relation. So the correct answer is option D is the correct answer. That is P equal to mW plus C. In the next question, the law of machine is given by the relation P equal to 0.04 W plus 7.5 when the velocity ratio is 40. What is the maximum efficiency of the machine? So maximum efficiency is given by that equal to eta equal to 1 by m into the velocity ratio. So law of machine P equal to mw plus c. So this is m equal to 0.04. So that equal to 1 by 0.04 into the velocity ratio is 40. So 40. That equal to 62.5 will be the correct answer. You can calculate it by yourself. So option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, in an ideal machine, the mechanical advantage is dash velocity ratio. The mechanical advantage and the velocity ratio for a ideal machine is equal. Both are equal. The mechanical advantage and the velocity ratio will be equal, because the ideal machine means efficiency will be 100%. So efficiency will be 100% when MA divided by VR equal to 1. So MA equal to VR into 1, that is MA equal to VR. So it will be equal to the mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. In the next question, a weight of 1000 Newton can be lifted by an effort of 80 Newton. If the velocity ratio of the machine is 20, then the machine is, whether the machine is a reversible machine or a non-reversible or a ideal machine. For that, we have to calculate the efficiency so that we can find whether this is a reversible machine or not. So efficiency is given by MA, mechanical advantage, divided by the velocity ratio. So mechanical advantage is weight by effort. Weight by effort. So that is 1000 divided by 80 divided by the velocity ratio is 20. So that equal to 1000 by 80 is 0 0 cancel, that is 100 by 80. Sorry, 100 by 8. So it is 100 by 8 into 1 by 20. That equal to 5 by 8 into 100 for a percentage efficiency. That equal to, you can calculate this will come as 62.5%. So this is a reversible machine. As the efficiency is more than 50%, that is the machine is reversible. In the next question, velocity ratio of third system of pulley is given by option C will be the correct answer. Option A will be for a first order system. Option B will be for second order system. So here third order system means option C will be the correct answer, where n is the number of pulleys. In the next question, the velocity ratio of a fast system of pulley with 4 pulley is, we know that for a fast order system, the velocity ratio is given by 2 to the power n, where n is the number of pulley. So here number of pulley is 4. So 2 to the power 4, that equal to 16. Option C will be the correct answer. In the next question, a car starting from rest is accelerated at the rate of 0.4 meter per second square. Find the distance covered by the car in 20 seconds. So we know that the formula, distance formula is equal to ut plus half at square, where u is the initial velocity and t is the time and a is the acceleration. Acceleration is 0.4 meter per second square and the time is 20 seconds. So by putting the time and acceleration value, we have distance that equal to, here it is rested, from starting it is rested, so the initial velocity will be 0. So 0 plus half into acceleration is 0.4 into 0.4 into 20 square. So you can calculate this, that answer will be 80 meter. So option D will be the correct answer. In the next question, a body is dropped from the top of a tall building, if it takes 3 seconds in falling on the ground with acceleration 10 meter per second square, find the height of the building. So the same formula we can apply, that equal to S equal to ut plus half at square. In place of a we can put the acceleration due to gravity, that is g into t square. So that equal to, or s or distance or height equal to ut is the initial velocity is 0 plus half into g is 10 into 10 into the time 3 seconds. So 3 into 3. You can calculate it 2 to the 5. So 5 into 3 is 15 into 3 is 45. So option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, a stone is dropped from the top of a building which is 60 meter high. With what velocity will it hit the ground where the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square? We have the formula v square, that equal to u square plus 2gh, that equal to v square equal to u square is 0, the initial velocity is 0 square plus 2 into the value of g is 10 into height h is 60 meter, 60, that equal to 60 into 10 into 2, that is 1200. So v square equal to 1200. So v will be root over of 1200. So option D will be the correct answer. In the next question, the relationship S equal to ut plus half at square is applicable to bodies with moving uniform acceleration. Option C. Only for uniform acceleration we can put this relation S equal to ut plus half at square, where S is the distance, u is the initial velocity, and a is the acceleration, and t is the time. In the next question, if two bodies A and B are projected upwards such that the velocity of A is double the velocity of B, then the height to which the body A will rise will be dash the height to which the body B will rise. Let me give you the clear understand of this question. We have two body A and body B, which are projected upward with a velocity of body A is double the velocity of B. Suppose body B will velocity of x, then body A will be the velocity of 2x, that is double the velocity of B. Then we have to find that the height to which the body A will rise will be the height at which the body B will be rise. Suppose body B will rise y meter, then we have to find the distance of the height of A 4 times. Option B will be the correct answer. In the next question, horizontal range of a projectile motion is given by, we know that the horizontal range of a projectile is given by u square sine 2 theta by g. Option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, the horizontal range of a projectile is maximum when the angle of projectile is, we know that the horizontal range is given by this formula. So here we have function as sine 2 theta. So sine function will be maximum when theta is 90 degree. So 2 theta is 90 degree. So theta equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So option B will be the correct answer. In the next question, the statement, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force and takes place in the same direction in which of the force acts. So this statement is Newton's second law of motion. Option B will be the correct answer. In the next question, determine the force which can move a body of mass 100 kg with an acceleration of 3.5 meter per second square. So force equal to mass into acceleration, F equal to ma. So that equal to the mass is 100 kg, 100 into the acceleration is 3.5 meter per second square, 3.5. So that equal to 350 Newton. Option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, a body of mass 50 kg is being lifted by a lift in an office. Find the force exerted by the body on the lift floor when it is moving with a uniform acceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. For a lifting machine, the force will given by F equal to m into A plus G when it is upward direction. So that equal to mass is 50 into acceleration A is 1.2 and G is, we know that G is given by 9.8. So 9.8. So that equal to 50 into 11, that is 550. So option B will be the correct answer, 550 Newton. In the next question, which is the correct equation of D'Albert's principle? So D'Albert's principle is given by P minus ma equal to 0. That is option C is the correct answer. In the next question, recoil of gun is an example of Newton's third law of motion. So option C will be the correct answer. In the next question, which of the following statement is wrong? Option A, the matter contained in a body is called mass. Option B, the force with which a body is attracted towards the center of the earth is called weight. Option C, the total motion possessed by a moving body is called the impulsive force. So all these options are correct statements. So none of the statements are wrong. So option D will be the correct answer. In the next question, the total momentum of two bodies remain constant after collision or any other mutual action. This is known as the law of conservation of momentum. Option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, the bodies which rebound after impact are called elastic body. Option B will be the correct answer. In the next question, velocity of separation equal to E into velocity of approach, where E is the coefficient of restitution. Option A will be the correct answer. So that coefficient of restitution E is given by V2 minus V1 divided by U2 minus U1. Thank you students. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment. Also, if you have not joined our Telegram group, you can join it. The link in the description.